Hello students, welcome to TSSM Group of Institute. I am Mrs. Sneha Azankar from Signet Public School New. Today we are going to perform an experiment from class 10, experiment number 2. The aim of the experiment is performing and observing the following reactions and classify them into combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So, students, in theory we learn various types of reactions like combination reaction, double displacement reaction, single displacement reaction, decomposition reactions, oxidation, reduction reactions, and also we learned their examples. So, today we are going to perform these reactions in lab and we are going to classify them accordingly. To perform this experiment, we will need a material. So, the material required is china dish, spirit lamp, beakers, iron nails, test tube holder, test tubes and test tube stand, copper sulphate solution, sodium sulphate solution, barium chloride solution and water. First of all, we will see the reaction of water with slaked lime. So, take 10 gram of slaked lime or calcium oxide in china dish . Take a little water in beaker. Using dropper, sprinkle some water on the slaked lime in dish. You can observe here the hissing sound is produced and the solution becomes hot. The reaction of water with slaked lime is combination reaction. So, here when calcium oxides reacts with water, calcium hydroxide is formed. So, it is a combination reaction. Now, the next reaction is the effect of heat on crystals of ferrous sulphate. So, first of all, take a hard glass tube, take 2 grams of ferrous sulphate crystals in a hard glass tube. Hold this test tube in a test tube holder and heat hard glass tube and observe the color of this. Before heating, the color of ferrous sulphate is pale green in color. You can observe the gases with suffocating smells are produced and the residue is reddish brown. On heating, the pale green colored crystals of ferrous sulfate undergo decomposition reaction. A mixture of SO2, SO3 and water gases are formed. So, it is a decomposition reaction. Now, we are going to see the next reaction, the reaction of copper sulfate solution with iron nails. So, take a copper sulfate solution in a beaker and insert iron nails into this copper sulfate solutions. You can observe previously the iron nails are still green in color and the copper sulfate solution is green in color. Leave it undisturbed for an hour and observe the change in the color of the solution and metal deposited on the iron nails. We can observe here the blue color of the copper sulfate solution changes to pale green color and the iron nail changes to the reddish brown. The copper is deposited on the iron nails. So, in this way the iron nails reacts with copper sulfate solution. So, it is a single displacement reaction. Now, next reaction, the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Take sodium sulfate solution in a test tube. Add barium chloride solution with the help of dropper into it. We can observe white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. In this reaction, a mutual exchange of ions of two compounds takes place and we got the white precipitate of barium sulfate, and so it is a double displacement reaction. So, in this way, in today's experiment we learn how to perform and observe the various types of reactions and classify them into combination, displacement, double displacement and decomposition reactions. Thank you.